Are you ready to take your business to the next level and secure funding for growth and expansion? It all starts with having a strong business credit score. In this lesson, we will dive into the exciting world of business credit and uncover the secrets to establishing a credible and trustworthy credit profile for your business. From separating your business and personal credit to learning how to build a strong business credit score, this lesson is packed with actionable tips and tricks that will help you get the funding you need to take your business to new heights. So, get ready to take notes, and let's start building a credit-worthy business today. 5-point summary. Difference between business and personal credit scores. A business credit score shows a company's creditworthiness, while a personal credit score shows an individual's creditworthiness. Depending on the financial health of your business, both scores may be required for various financing products. Business credit usage. Business credit can be used for office supplies, financing operations, loans for projects, real estate purchases or leases, and as a funding source for startups. Importance of business credit. Business credit provides quick funds, better interest rates, protection from liabilities, and savings over time. Building business credit score. To build a business credit score, obtain a federal tax ID number, open a business bank account and credit card, apply for a loan, get a DUNS number, pay bills on time, and monitor credit reports regularly. Business bank account. A business bank account is necessary to separate business and personal funds and is a red flag for lenders if funds are commingled. In the next lesson, we will delve into crucial details about the business score. If you like this video, be sure to check out the rest of our course on building business credit at mybusinesscredit.com.